Alright, you guys, welcome back. I don't know why I'm staring at my semi. But, yeah, we're back today for the second episode of when I started with this truck and $1 million. I bought everything. I made a bit of a mistake in the last episode. Yeah, I know. But I did find this property that I like. So let's go take a look at it. It is like 270-some thousand. Like 11 acres. It's very nice. And yeah. I'm actually not gonna stop. There's not even a stop sign there, is there? I don't know. I don't think so. But yeah, I do have a steering wheel. It is just not plugged in right now. So I'm plugged on keyboard and mouse. Yeah, you guys probably see where it is, but I have to drive to it. Sorry about there not being the map, you guys. Here it is. Here's the property. It's very big. Has this huge barn. I don't know where exactly the farmhouse is. Wait a second, I think I can see on my map. Hang on, let me. I don't think there. Oh, there is. Wait, how do I get to that? Hold up, guys. Is it from the side? Oh, it's from the side road. Oh. Wait, so there's. Hold up, hang on. So. Come up to here. Come up through here. This is how I get to it. There we go. There we go. Just pull my truck into here. Turn the lights off. Enter. Keep the truck up. Okay. I'm probably gonna sell this barn, so. There is also this path, which takes you into the property up here. And I don't know why there's not a fence here, but yeah. Purple truck. Why is it wet? I don't know. I don't know why the truck's wet. It wasn't raining. So that's the property overlooking your house. I don't know what is. Wait, hang on. I just jumped off fence. Okay. What is this gonna be? I don't know. Just climb back up. Yeah, I'll buy it. I'm able to access into this. Got chicken coop. So I go and have my last property. So I take it this is all for the chickens. Yeah, I'll buy it. Yeah, I'll buy it. First, let me sell everything here, see how much money I get. Sell for 15, for 5,000, 13. I will sell that. So I gotta go through this to sell it. Okay, I can sell that. I don't need that. I can also sell that. So that puts me over. Yeah. need all that. That, and then boom, 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 boom. Am I able, wait, can I sell the water tower? No. Am I now able to sell this property? So. Okay. What do I own that I placed down? Wait. Didn't know that was there. Okay, it's no longer mine. I gotta get stuff out of here. And purchase this property. Okay. Tab. Okay, I am going to sell almost every barn on this property. So that's all gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's not mine, I don't think. I'll keep that. That's gone. Keep that. That's gone. I'll keep this barn too. It's a nice barn. And I will upgrade that tank quickly. Way bigger and better tank. I don't know. It's going to be with. And then we'll sell. I can't sell that farmhouse. Just can't sell that. Can't sell that. Can't sell that. Probably just rent this place out. I'm trying to get my money out of stuff. Trying to sell stuff. So that'll be a rental house. I think I should buy this small field as well. Should I?